how to make a similar mesh in Blender. Let's create a UV sphere. Press Shift-A on your keyboard. In the menu that appears, select Mesh, and then UV Sphere. Switch to Edit Mode. Click on the Polygons icon. Now delete some of the polygons so that there are only 2 rows of polygons left. Press X. From the menu, select Faces. Now select Vertex on the edges of the 3D model. Press F to add missing polygons. Select the knife tool, add the missing edges. Now go to Object Mode. Press Shift-A and select Empty, and then Plane Axis. Select the mesh. Then go to Modifiers. Add the Array modifier. Disable Relative Offset and select Object Offset. Now select Object. Empty. Change the number of copies to 10. Go to Object Properties and change the rotation parameter on Z. Divide 360 by 10. Press Enter. Select Edit Mode and then Edge. Select Edge on your mesh. Press Ctrl-B. Add a face to the mesh.